Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Let's tap on them. Here we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and swipe. Of course it will be immediately applied. We can change the time zone, just tap on this option and then scroll to find your time zone. So after finding, just tap on it and okay, that was a really huge mistake. Alright, so let me choose maybe this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course it will affect the time. Be aware about that. Here we've got the dual clock, so you can turn on this option just by using this switcher, and the same situation if you want to turn it off. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second from any other place in the world of your choice. So you can check in real time what time is in that place. So that's quite cool. What is more? Oh, the time format, I forgot about it. So of course you can change the time format. After tapping on this option, you can decide whether you want to use 24-hour one or 12-hour one. Just tap on the option you'd like to apply. And this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.